Tired of spending too much time chopping onions, tomatoes, and vegetables every day? What if you could prep your entire meal in just minutes, without tears, mess, or knife skills? Today, we're reviewing the Fullstar Vegetable Chopper, one of Amazon's best-selling kitchen gadgets that promises fast, safe, and effortless food prep. But is it really worth the hype? Let's find out. The Fullstar Vegetable Chopper has become incredibly popular among home cooks, busy families, and meal prep lovers, and for good reason. This compact kitchen tool is designed to simplify one of the most time-consuming parts of cooking, chopping vegetables. Right out of the box, the first thing you notice is its practical and sturdy design. The chopper comes with interchangeable stainless steel blades that allow you to dice, slice, and chop vegetables quickly and evenly. Instead of using a knife and cutting board, you simply place your vegetable on the blade, press down the lid, and instantly get perfectly chopped pieces. One of the biggest advantages of the Fullstar chopper is speed and efficiency. Tasks that normally take several minutes, like chopping onions or tomatoes, can now be done in seconds. This is especially helpful for people who cook daily or prepare large meals for families. Meal prepping becomes much faster, saving both time and effort in the kitchen. Another standout feature is consistency. When cutting vegetables by hand, sizes often vary, which can affect cooking results. With this chopper, every piece comes out uniform. This helps vegetables cook evenly and also improves food presentation, making dishes look more professional. The stainless steel blades are sharp and durable, designed to handle a variety of vegetables, including onions, potatoes, carrots, cucumbers, peppers, and even some fruits. Many users love using it for salads, stir-fries, salsa, and meal prep containers. The blades are rust-resistant and built for long-term use when cleaned properly. Safety is another area where the Fullstar Vegetable Chopper shines. Since your hands stay away from the blades during operation, the risk of accidental cuts is much lower compared to traditional knife chopping. This makes it a great option for beginners, older users, or anyone who feels uncomfortable using sharp knives. The built-in container at the bottom collects chopped vegetables directly, reducing mess on your countertop. Instead of vegetables spreading everywhere, everything stays neatly inside the container, which also makes transferring ingredients to a pan or bowl very easy. Cleaning kitchen tools can often be frustrating, but Fullstar designed this chopper with convenience in mind. Most parts are removable and dishwasher-safe, allowing quick cleanup after cooking. A small cleaning tool is usually included to safely remove food pieces stuck between blades. Another reason this product is highly rated is its space-saving design. Unlike bulky electric food processors, the Fullstar chopper is compact and easy to store in kitchen cabinets or drawers. It requires no electricity, making it perfect for small kitchens, dorm rooms, RVs, or even outdoor cooking setups. However, like any product, it has a few limitations. Very hard vegetables may require extra pressure, and overfilling the blade area can reduce cutting efficiency. For best results, vegetables should be cut into medium-sized chunks before pressing the lid. Also, this tool is meant for chopping and dicing rather than blending or pureeing foods. Despite these small drawbacks, the Fullstar Vegetable Chopper delivers excellent value for its price. It combines speed, safety, and convenience into one simple kitchen gadget. Many home cooks find themselves using it daily once they experience how much time it saves. So if you're someone who cooks regularly, wants faster meal prep, or simply hates chopping onions, this tool can genuinely improve your kitchen routine. It turns a repetitive task into a quick and satisfying process, helping you focus more on cooking and less on preparation. Overall, the Fullstar Vegetable Chopper stands out as one of the best manual kitchen gadgets available today. Its combination of functionality, durability, and ease of use explains why it continues to be a top seller on Amazon. So is the Fullstar Vegetable Chopper worth buying? If you want faster cooking prep, safer chopping, and less kitchen mess, the answer is yes. Check the product link in the description for the latest price and deals. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell for more honest product reviews and kitchen gadget finds.